Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make Instagram reels that go viral in 2025. So if your reels aren't getting any views or engagement, don't worry, these updated strategies will help you grab the attention and grow fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to start with the movement, which is a bold statement or a question. So this is going to be basically the hook that is going to basically hook your viewers in the first 2 seconds. So the faster you grab the attention in these 2 seconds, the longer they are going to watch your video, and the watch time is going to drive the virality in 2025. Now in the step 2, you can use the trending sounds and the niche audio. So over here, when you tap on this plus icon here in the bottom and select any of the reels or any of the stories option, there you will find the audio section, with the help of which you can basically find the trending songs. You can also just tap on the option of the reel icon here. When you tap on the audio option, you can also tap on the option of use audio in order to use the popular audio. So make sure that you stick to the niche specific audio, because Instagram is going to favor the niche focused content only. Now the third step would be of keeping your videos short and fast. You need to aim for only 5 to 9 seconds with multiple scenes. So you can use quick cuts, jump zooms, or text pops to keep the viewers engaged. The short and the punchy reels loop better, and loops are going to boost your reach. Now you can also add the on-screen texts and the captions. As you can see, if I tap on this reels option, you will see some of the reels that has the bold titles on the top. So you can also do the same. You can provide value or the emotion, which I'm sure you are going to do, but you need to just simply fall into these three categories, in which you will have to provide either value, or the content that you are providing should be relatable to the people, or it should be inspiring. Don't forget to add a clear call to action as well at the end of this video, because a simple CTA is going to help your reel get saved and shared, which boosts the algorithm as well. Now you can also post when your audience is online, usually in the evenings or weekends. You can also reply to the comments in the first 10 minutes to push the reach higher. So by keeping all of these steps in mind, you will be able to make your viral content or your viral Instagram reels in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.